What's going on, you guys? We're back at it with another fishing video. Today we're hitting another section of the Withlacoochee River, a few miles down under a different bridge. Kind of looking at the map, really that area that I was in was really blocked off due to those trees. So I was trying to figure out if we could kind of get away from that area and cut up in some different sections of this river. So it's gonna be a good time. Thanks for you guys tuning in, and I appreciate you for watching this video. Kind of shooting blind here right now, so I don't really know what we're in for. Let's see, can we get over this? Nope. Nope. No, we cannot. All right. Guess it's dragon time. Little scouting report. Went and kind of hiked up the side of the river here just to see if it clears out any, and it does. So good news is I think we can make it up there. Bad news is we've got maybe, I don't know, like a 75-yard hike with the kayak over a lot of these branches and all. So I'm gonna get everything loaded up back there, and I'll see y'all back in the boat. Wouldn't be worth it if it was easy. Don't forget. Made it to the drop point. Just got to get everything back in the boat. We'll be ready to ride. Looks a lot more clear out here, so hopefully we'll be able to get on some fish. All right, let's see what we can find. Getting up on a little bit of structure. Come on. Something's trying to get this thing. Oops. Oh no. That's not good. Alright, let's try it again. There's definitely some fish right around here. Let's try to scoot through. Let's keep throwing this frog and see. Man, where are these fish at, you guys? It's crazy. Oh, good night. All right, that's a good sign. Thought we had that joker. I think I got a bite. No. Come on. Oh no. God, I knew this was gonna be bad. I knew it. All right, we're out. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a lesson on why you use braid and tie really good knots. All right, we're gonna switch it up. Just got a chatterbait tied on. See what we can do. First one over the tree. Come on. Well, nothing so far. I'm gonna get a couple more casts in this area and then we'll see what else we can get into. All right, let's go see what we how much further we can go. Really not sure. What is that? Huh, that, some kind of old float or something. Maybe we'll try to fish that little pool. I don't think we can go much further in this. We'll just run this one. See, maybe we'll look up, catch something. You never know what you get when you get out here on the river. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Just kind of going out here blind. Got tangled up there for a bit. I don't really have a good angle to the center of that pond. Let's see if we can get a little better spot. There we go. Oh, how crazy would it be to catch a big monster back here? All right, you guys, this spot's kind of been a little bit of a letdown. We hiked the kayak back here, paddled all our way out. Just not really getting any bites. It's real shallow out here. Very, very shallow. A lot of trees and stuff down, so we can't get like too far downstream to try any different areas. At least from where I'm at right now, it just doesn't seem worth the fight to get the kayak any further. I think we're gonna go back downstream some and kind of fish around in that same general area that we were at in the beginning. We did get a few bites over there, but we couldn't get anything in the boat, so we'll just paddle around over there and see. Hopefully we can get something. All right, back in the boat. Really been throwing everything I got. Go back to a little trip worm for a minute, see what's popping. I think back here is where the fish are. Maybe even just up there at the front. I'm seeing a lot of minnows and stuff. You'd think There's babies, there's bound to be some adults, huh? I don't know, boys. We're just not having no luck today, you guys. It's crazy. Throw the chatterbait back here. Well, we've been paddling upstream for a while, fishing all the little different spots. Had a few bites, but we haven't been able to get anything in the boat. So, I'm still trying to work at it, see if we can get any further. But so far, this spot's kind of been a bust. There's not too much kind of access that we can get into, and you know, just all the trees, real skinny water. It's just not really good right now. Maybe coming back, it might be a little bit better if it's a little deeper, but even then, there's just so many down trees, you just get cut off pretty quickly as far as how far back you can get, unless we came back here with a chainsaw or something like that. I think I'm gonna start heading back downstream, or back to the bridge, and see if we can get loaded back up. And that's kind of going to wrap it up for today. We did a little bit of exploring. Going up river, it's just all blocked off, like right here at the front. Downriver, you know, we got over the island, got a little bit further, but we're getting trapped. Wasn't too many like really good spots to fish. I casted a bunch of lines. Even though I have seen some fish in the water out here, I do think, you know, there may be a few that you could catch, but you know, this isn't really a good spot for us, I don't think. But it was really fun today exploring with you guys. I appreciate you for tuning in. If you like this kind of content, like, share, subscribe. It'll really help support the channel. And do not forget, stay knocked.
Down by the Withlacoochee flowing fast and brown. Roots grab the banks like they're holding the ground.